polynomials. So let us try to understand what are polynomials. See, students, the expressions, every expression consists of two. There are three constituents of an expression. There are three constituents of an expression. Those three constituents are, let us take the example of an expression. Let us see. You also write down with me. You will keep writing with me, okay? So let us take an example, take an expression. Okay, 7x square minus 5x plus 3. It has three components. This expression has three components. One is the constant coefficients. Constant. One are the constants. Here the constants are coefficients. Coefficients. Coefficient. Be quick in writing, fair handwriting. Okay, so these are, see, 7. These are coefficients. I tell you, 7 minus 5, 3. These are constants or coefficients. Constant coefficients also you can say. So 7 minus 5 and 3 are constant coefficients or constants only. You can say constants also. I hope you are writing 7 minus 5 and plus 3. These are constants. This is the first component of an expression. Second component are the variables. Here in this expression, only one variable is there, x. Second component of an expression is the variables. Variables. All right, constants, variables. So here in this expression, there is only one variable, and that is x. There is only one variable, and that is x. Okay, now third component. Third component is power. The technical word for power is exponents. Bracket you can write down. Powers to the variable. Powers to the variables. Power to the variables. I hope you are writing. So what are the powers? See here. Here the power of x is 1. Now what is the power of x here? Come on, tell me. What is the power of x here?
So 2.
No.
The 1.
Here it is 1.
1.
What is the power of x here? Tell me. What is the power of x here? No idea?
Sir, 0.
0. See, 3 means 3 into 1. 1 we can write down x raised to power 0. 1 we can write down x raised to power 0. So anything power 0 is 1. So hence here the power of x is 1. So what are the exponents in this expression in that case? Exponents are, here it is 2. Here it is 1. There is 0. 2, comma 1, comma 0. So this is an expression. We have just studied the components of an expression. Got my point? We have just studied the components of an expression.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, whether a given expression is a polynomial or not, that we need to study. When should we say that the given expression is a polynomial? Right? That is an important question. Listen, everyone. When do we say that a given expression is a polynomial? When do we say that a given expression is a polynomial? Now, this expression is a polynomial or not is an important question. See, for this we see the exponents. Come to the bottom here. For this we see the exponents. We see the exponents. Now, if the exponents are whole numbers, do you understand what are the whole numbers? Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are whole numbers. 1 by 2 is not a whole number. Minus 3 is not a whole number. So if the exponents, do you know which are the exponents? See it here. 2 is an exponent here. Here 1 is an exponent. Here 0 is an exponent. So if the exponents are whole numbers, then the given expression is a polynomial. That is the definition of a polynomial. Take one more example. Now, let us take this example. Suppose 3x square minus 1 over 3x square. Is this a polynomial or not? This expression, is this a polynomial or not? Before we go to this question, let us first see what are the variables. Variable is x only. Don't write down. Don't write down. Variable is x only. Okay. What are constants? What are constants? Constants is 3. Don't write down. Constants is 3 and 1 is 3 and 1 is minus 1 over 3. Okay. What are variables? Sorry, exponents. What are exponents here? So that is the issue. Okay. So let us focus on exponents. You have written this. Write this so 3x square minus 1 over 3x square. Students, your writing has to be fast, really fast. 3x square minus 1 over 3x square. So what are exponents here? If you simplify, what you see that this is 3x square, this is minus 1 over 3. What will be the power of x if we take it to the numerator? Who is going to answer?
Minus
So 1.
Karthik, wrong. Yes, Shubkaran?
Please repeat the question.
Sir, minus 2.
No. Yes, minus
Sir,
2.
minus
Who
2.
said minus 2? Who said this? Shubkaran?
Shubhkaran.
Very
Shubhkaran.
good. Yes. So, okay, mute yourself now. So, see. Mute yourself. Who was this? Okay. So, see, there was power 2 in the denominator. When we are taking it up, जब हम ऊपर ले जाएंगे तो power का sign -2 हो जाएगा. तो बताओ कि शुभकर्ण, mute yourself. So बताओ कि what are the exponents? Keep writing also. What are the exponents in this case? What are the powers? Exponents matlab powers. So what are the powers? Here, one power is 2. See, one power is 2. And the other power is
2 and 2.
so the powers, yani exponents are 2 and minus 2. Are these whole numbers? Tell me, are these whole numbers? बताओ, 2 और minus 2 दोनों whole numbers हैं?
No, sir.
No.
ठीक है, both are not whole, all are not whole numbers. Write down, all are not whole numbers. Whole numbers. ठीक है, therefore given expression, yeah, full you can write down 1/3x square. I hope you are writing is not a polynomial. Is not a polynomial. I'll take one more example. Have you finished writing this? I hope you have finished writing this. Okay, I'll take one more example. X plus square root x plus square root y. Is it a polynomial? Take it down, square root x, square root y. Note karo. So we are going to find out, is it a polynomial? So don't take note down. अभी note मत करो. पहले जवानी बताओ. What are the variables here? Come on, tell me, what are the variables?
X and Y.
X and Y.
X and Y. Very good. The variables are
X and Y, sir.
X and Y. Very good, Pankaj. Now, what are the coefficients? Not coefficients. What are the constants? Or constant coefficients, you can say. What are the constants? Come on, tell me. What is the constant here? What is the constant here?
2.
0.
1 each. यहाँ पे भी 1 लिखा है जो हमें नहीं दिख रहा है. यहाँ पे भी 1 लिखा है जो हमें नहीं दिख रहा है. So the constants are 1 and 1.
1.
Okay, so but we are not concerned with the variables and constants at the moment. We are only concerned with the exponents. Okay, so what are the exponents? What are the एक लाइन छोड़, दो लाइनें छोड़ के
Sir,
लिखो.
0.
दो लाइनें छोड़ के लिखो. Exponents. 0 is a wrong answer. Exponents. 2 is a wrong answer. We don't have x raised power 2. We don't have this. We don't have x square. Or we don't have y square. So 2 is a wrong answer.
Sir, 1.
1.
We don't have x. We don't have y. So that the exponents are 1 and 1. We don't have. So again a wrong number, a wrong answer. The powers of the variables are called exponents, or simply the powers. So what are the powers of x and y here? Don't you know? X raised power what? Under root means what? Square root means what? Square root means power. Yes, square root means power.
Sir, 2.
Amit, 2. 2 तो ये ऐसे होता है. It's not 2.
Sir, 2.
जतिन 2 तो ऐसे होता है.
1.
तो 2 तो ऐसे होता है. ये देखो ऐसे होता है. X square होता है 2. It's not like that. It's square root 2. So what is the power of x?
x raised to power 2.
So this is not x raised to power 2. What is the power of x? The question is, what is the power of x? What is the exponent? This is not
Square
x square. Who is saying? Shubkaran, there is noise at the background. Control that noise. Come on, answer me. What is the power of x? Square root means x means x power.
Sir, X.
1.
x power 1 तो x होता है. Square root x थोड़े होता है. What is square root x is equal to x raised to power what?
Sir, X.
X
X raised to power x. What are you saying?
yes,
X raised to
yes,
power?
yes, x raised to power 1 plus x raised to power 1.
This is wrong. X raised to power 1. See, x raised to power 1 plus x raised to power 1 means x plus x means 2x. This is not 2x. Is it 2x? This is not 2x.
No.
X raised to power 0 is 1. This is not 1. Student, this is shameful. We prepared a whole lesson. We spent full month. Wrong answer. Stop answering now. And
Sir,
this is
X
shameful.
raised to
for all.
power 1.
Stop answering. Yes, sleep now, everybody. Mute Subkaran. Subkaran, mute it. So this is shameful. We spent full month of learning this topic of search, and you don't know what is square root. Power 1 by 2. Square root y means x raised to power y raised to power 1 by 2. Square root means power 1 by 2. Really shameful for you all class. Really shameful. You did not study at all in the last full month. You don't know square root x is power 1 by 2. Square root means power 1 by 2. Cube root means power 1 by 3. Fourth root means power 1 by 4. Square root x means power 1 by 2. Okay. Cube root x means x raised to power 1 over 3. Fifth root x means x raised to power 1 over 5. Square root x means power 1 by 2. Huh? This is ridiculous, students. This is ridiculous. So, note it down. So, what are the exponents? Now, at least tell me what are the exponents. Come on, fast. Jatin, what are the exponents?
1 over 2.
1 over 2 and second
Sir, 1 over 2.
1 over 2 and 1 over 2.
1 over 2.
So these are not whole numbers. These are not whole numbers. Write down. These are not whole numbers. Therefore, square root x plus square root y is not a polynomial. Write fast. So this is how you will solve question number 1 of the exercise. You will solve question number 1 of the exercise exactly this way. Okay. Now let us go to the next topic. I hope you have finished writing this.
Yes.
Finish writing this fast. Okay. So now let us come to the next part of this. Let us take a polynomial 7x cube, write down with me, minus 5x square plus 2x minus 8 minus 8. Now what we are going to see, degree. Write here degree word with the sketch pen. Write here the word degree with the sketch pen. Write here degree with the sketch pen. Drop your sketch pen, take the pen. So degree of this polynomial is degree of the polynomial is degree of the polynomial is equal to highest power of the variable, highest exponent. So what is the highest exponent? Tell me students, what is the highest exponent? Ishan, Jatin, stop. Ishan,
Yes,
what is the
sir.
highest power? What? Yes, sir. Answer the question. Ishan, answer the question. Ishan, where are you?
Yes, sir.
What? Yes, sir. Answer the question. What is the highest power
Sir,
of x?
sir, 6.
Where is 6? Show me. Show me in the picture. Draw your picture. Take the picture of what you have written, and then tell me where is 6 written. Manav Jain. Manav Jain,
Yes, sir.
you answer. Sleeping. Soreo. What is the highest power of x? What is the highest exponent in this expression?
Sir, 3.
3. Who answered this? I was asking Manav Jain. Who answered this? So highest power is 3. It's written here. So 3. So 3 is the degree of the polynomial. So what did you learn? The degree of a polynomial is the highest power of the polynomial of the variable. Degree of the polynomial is the highest power of the variable. Clear? Highest power of the variable, but only in case the given expression is a polynomial. Polynomial है तभी डिग्री है, अगर वो polynomial ही नहीं है तो उसकी कोई डिग्री नहीं होगी. The degree of a polynomial means highest power of the variable. Okay. Now, one more thing we have to learn. Take up your sketch pen. Sketch pen lo. Write with the sketch pen. Coefficient. 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 This is what we are going to learn. Write coefficient word with the sketch pen. What is coefficient of? Now you take your pen. So students, what is the coefficient of x square? coefficient of x square is equal to, write down coefficient of x square is equal to, only coefficient what you have written with the sketch pen. So coefficient of x square is equal to, अब ये समझना है हमें where is x square? X square is here. The term containing x square is this. So in this question, the term containing x square is this. This is the term containing x square. Now x square के अलावा इसमें क्या लिखा है बताओ, सारे बच्चे बताओ, x square के अलावा इसमें और क्या लिखा है?
-5.
-5 is the coefficient. That's it. Simple. Very simple. जिसका भी coefficient पूछ रहे हैं तो उसको छोड़ दो, बाकी उस टर्म में जो लिखा है that is the coefficient. अच्छा, answer me, what is the coefficient of x cube in this question, in this term? What is the coefficient of x cube?
7.
7. Very good.
7.
You understood. 7 only. अच्छा, one more thing you write with the sketch pen. Terms. Arrow. What are the terms in this expression? इस expression में terms कौन-कौन सी हैं? Let us try to understand that. Have you written? इस polynomial में terms कौन-कौन सी हैं? What are the terms? First term is 7x cube, comma. This is the first term there, one term. Second term is minus 5x square. I hope you are writing. लिख रहे हैं सारे. And
Yes,
what is
sir.
the third term? Third term is plus 2x. And the last term is comma minus 8. तो इनको terms बोलते हैं. इस polynomial में 4 terms हैं. इस polynomial में 4 terms हैं. इनको terms बोलते हैं. एक term ये, look at the screen. दूसरी term ये, third term is this, and one more term is there, and that is this. These are called terms. Now students, let us learn the next thing. अगली चीज सीखते हैं. ये अभी हमने सीखा कि कोफिशिएंट कैसे निकालते हैं और डिग्री कैसे निकालते हैं किसी पॉलिनोमियल की. किसी पॉलिनोमियल की डिग्री क्या होती है? हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ द वेरिएबल. कोफिशिएंट क्या होता है वो आपने समझ लिया. उस टर्म में उस चीज को छोड़ देंगे तो बाकी सारा कोफिशिएंट हो गया. अभी हम सीखेंगे अगली चीज, पॉलिनोमियल्स की टाइप्स. लेट अस लर्न द टाइप्स ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल्स. ऑलराइट, write down with the sketch pen types of polynomials. Types of polynomials. I hope you are writing. Types of polynomial. First type is monomial. Monomial. Write with the black pen. Write with the black pen. Monomial. Monomial means having one term only. Monomial means having, write with the blue pen. Monomial means having one term only. Having one term only. Jatin, your mic is unmute. Mute your mic. Some disturbance was coming. Okay. For example, monomials के example लें. जैसे सिर्फ 7x लिखा हो तो ये मोनोमियल है. जैसे सिर्फ -2 लिखा हो तो ये मोनोमियल है. या जैसे सिर्फ 2x² लिखा हो, सिर्फ इतना ही हो, तो ये मोनोमियल है, क्योंकि इन सब में एक एक टर्म ही है। इसमें भी एक टर्म है, here also there is only one term, इस पॉलिनोमियल में भी सिर्फ एक ही टर्म है, और इस पॉलिनोमियल में भी सिर्फ एक ही टर्म है। ओके, सो सच ए पॉलिनोमियल जिसमें एक ही टर्म होती है उसको मोनोमियल बोलते हैं, राइट, मोनोमियल। देन कम्स द नेक्स्ट टर्म बाइनोमियल। राइट विद द स्केच पेन, बाइनोमियल, बाइनोमियल जिसमें दो टर्म्स होती हैं उसको बाइनोमियल बोलते हैं। Having two terms, having two terms, having two terms. Okay, for example, 7x plus 2, 7x plus 2, keep writing with the pen, 7x plus 2. Okay, for example, 3x square minus 8x, here also there are two terms, so this is a binomial, है ना, जिसमें दो टर्म्स होती हैं उसको बाइनोमियल बोलते हैं। एक और एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल 7x³ minus 8, दिस इज आल्सो अ बाइनोमियल। मोनोमियल एक ही टर्म वाली, बाइनोमियल दो टर्म वाली, ट्राइनोमियल तीन टर्म वाली। So let us finish the last term faster. Pick up the sketch pen. Come on, trinomial. Trinomial. Okay, having three terms. Having three terms. ठीक है, तो राइट डाउन फास्टर, जरा जल्दी लिखना। सपोज 2x² plus 3x minus 8, this is the trinomial. Suppose 5x³ x³ minus 7x² plus 3. Here also there are three terms, so this is a trinomial. Students, so students, one last thing we need to learn in this section. One last thing. We can categorize the polynomials in one more way. Let us see what is that type. We can categorize the polynomial in one more way. So once again, write the types of polynomials. Types of polynomials. We can categorize the polynomials in one more way, just one more way. Is my voice clear? Anybody answer, please?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the last topic for today. We will learn one more categorization of polynomials. So this category is based on, the previous category was based on the number of terms. If there is one term, then monomial. If there are two terms, then binomial. If there are three terms, then trinomial. Now the category will be based on exponent, power. or degree. So if degree is 1, if degree is 0, if degree is 0, then that is a constant polynomial. Okay, write on. If write down with the black pen. If degree is 0, arrow, then it is called constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. Write down. Constant polynomial. Let's take examples. For example, 7. For example, -8. For example, 0. For example, 2. Here, the power of x is 0. Do you know? In each case, the power of x is 0. That means the degree of each of these polynomials is 0. Degree of 7 is 0. Degree of 2 is 0. Degree of 0 is 0. Do you know why? Let us take this. Degree of 2 is 0. Because 2 means 2 into 1 means 2 into x raised per 0. X raised per 0 is 1. Right? If degree is 1, write down. Write down. If degree is 1, if degree is 1, then the polynomial is called linear polynomial. What is this called? Linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. तब इसको linear polynomial बोलते हैं. Let us take examples. Write first. This you have written with the black pen. Let us take examples. Suppose 7x minus 3. This is a linear polynomial. Suppose 2 minus 5x. This is a linear polynomial because here the highest power of x is 1, because here the degree is 1. Or suppose you have only minus 3x. Here also this is a linear polynomial. Okay. So if degree is 1, then this is a linear polynomial. Now what is the case if degree is 2? What do we call that? Let's write down. If degree is 2, means highest power of x is 2. Yeah, highest power of y is 2. Okay. If highest coefficient is 2, then we call it as a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Okay, let us take some examples. For example, 2x square minus 3x plus 4. See, here the highest power of x is 2. Here the degree is 2. Hence, this is a quadratic polynomial. For example, 7x square plus 5. Here also, although the number of terms is 2, but we are not thinking about that. We are thinking about the highest power. We are thinking about the degree. So degree here is 2. So hence this is a quadratic. For example, let us take 3x minus 4x square. This is again a quadratic. This is quadratic because highest power is 2. Now let us take one more. Y, inside the bracket there is 2 plus y. What about this? इसके बारे में क्या ख्याल है? आप बोलोगे इसमें तो highest power 1 है. But there is a bracket also. We have to solve the bracket first. So when we open up the bracket, we see 2y plus y square. So this is again also a quadratic because highest power is 2. This is again a quadratic. Now, if the degree is 3, what do we call that? If, write down with the black pen, if degree is 3, then we call it a cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Let us take some examples. For example, 3x cube minus 8. This is a cubic polynomial because the highest power is 3. For example, 2y cube plus y square minus 7y plus 1. This is a cubic polynomial. Okay. For example, 3z plus z plus 1 into z minus 1. When you open this up, तो आपको पता चलेगा ये भी क्यूबिक है. जब आप ब्रैकेट्स खोलोगे ना तो आपको पता चलेगा ये भी क्यूबिक है क्योंकि z की पावर हाईएस्ट 3 बन जाएगी. So students, this was all to learn today, and now you will solve your exercise 2.1. You have to solve exercise 2.1 complete in your notebook with the date. Thank you. All the best. Send me the work as soon as possible, before 3 o'clock or before 4 o'clock. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Bye bye. Have a good day.